Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video I'm going to be giving you the template and rundown on how I created this template for these crayons. This was a request, so if you stay tuned you will get that information. See you guys soon. Alright, so this is how I created the template for this crayon wrapper, and I will also leave the link where to purchase these crayons. I got them off of Amazon. It was $50 in a pack for $10, so not bad, and it is a pack of 4. So let's go ahead and get started on creating this. So first you're going to want to go to Insert, Shapes, the rectangle of course, and just go ahead and put a shape down there, and we're about to go ahead and do the measurements right now. So the height of this is 1.4 and the width is 3, so it was almost on point. Okay, and you could do this one or two ways. You can go ahead and leave this image as is and just, go to Insert, go to Pictures, and just add in, whatever, I don't know, let's just put something in there. And you can actually add your pictures in, one at a time, and just change the background to, let's go to Format, Shape Fill, Picture, and let's add it as background like that. So that is one way you can do it, where you're adding each picture in individually. Excuse me. Or another way you could do it is to just simply go to Format, Shape Fill, and Picture, and just already have a picture that has everything that you want on it, and bam, there you go. And then go to Shape Outline. I took my outline off, but you can very well add in an outline, get creative with this, come up with your own designs and creations. And that's pretty much it. This is very simple to do. Like I said, I will have the link where to purchase this from Amazon in the description box, so be sure to check that out. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.